search, and that's like the worst one.
I thought the CTF. Look, what about CTF? They picked this. They picked the same host. We asked for a new host. Steven, how about no? And we asked for a lag test. They didn't give it to us because it's the same host.
No, it's not, you fucking retard.
It's the same host. No, don't spawn in. It's the same host. Yeah, they're not ending it. No, they already forfeit. Look, it's 30. It's way past 30 seconds from launch of map. Yeah, and they're capping flags too. No, they don't have. All right, I'll tell them to end it. See, they already forfeit though. Look at the time, 6:05. These kids are talented. It's way past. It's way past 30 seconds. Yeah, I'm recording the whole thing. Yeah, everyone leave. Everyone leave. She's showing my team's not host. No, rumors leave. Rumors leave.